my God. Sipping on a hurricane. You know. And you know good and dang well when he finished that drink, he gonna drop it. Drop it. And then somebody gonna have to come along thinking it's just a regular person's old hurricane. And don't let no hobo, a homeless person get it and he still left some at the bottom. Hell, you know they gonna drink it. And there go the first spread. Yeah. And then we're going to have to figure out which monkey got him. Was it the covina? Was it the herpedo? Or was it the hepatitis C? Hell, which monkey? Which monkey loose? Hell, they didn't have to go far to find him. He done passed out from that hurricane drink on Bourbon Street with the big green